Hi, welcome back to Cook Love Dil Se. Today we will be making Parwal Murabba, or which is commonly known in Bengali as Potoler Morobba. Take a look at the simple ingredients needed to make the Parwal Murabba. We have taken 200 grams of parwals. We are going to cut the edges and then peel them. Parwal Murabba is a summer special sweet and we are going to make this for the upcoming summer season. Now very carefully scoop out the seeds and clean them from inside. Make sure you don't crack the parwals while doing this process. In a wok, add a cup of water and as the water heats up, add the parwals to it. Let them boil for 2 to 3 minutes or till the parwals are half cooked. In another pan, add 3/4 cup of water and as the water starts to boil, add half a cup of sugar to it. Let the sugar dilute in the water and then add the half-cooked parwals to it one by one. As the parwals are boiling in the sugar syrup, take a moment and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Boil till the sugar syrup dries completely. You can add a teaspoon of kera water to enhance the flavor. For the filling, we will take 3/4 cup of mewa, 2 tablespoons of fine misri, 2 tablespoons of each almond, raisins and cashews. Take a big bowl and add the mewa. Add the chopped almonds, the raisins, the cashews, and finally the fine misri. Mix them all together. Take the parwals and fill them with the mewa carefully. And yes, now they are ready to be served. I am sure you have enjoyed this sweet recipe. Do hit the like and share buttons and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for future mouth-watering recipes.